Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Dina and I'm so passionate about helping you learn English in a fun and easy way. So, if you are ready, let's go. In today's video, I want to share some apps and tools that help me improve my English. So you can try them too. By using these apps or tools, you are going to improve your listening skills, you are going to boost your vocabulary, and the best part is these are totally free. The first app I'm going to recommend is BBC Learning English. As you know, this is from BBC and it is reliable and trustworthy. By using this app, you're going to improve your listening skills. You're going to increase your vocabulary, to boost your vocabulary, and you're gonna learn a lot of expressions, phrasal verbs. This app actually offers a variety of lessons, from news reports to vocabulary tips and grammar structures. So once you try it, you're gonna love it. Plus, you can find tons of video lessons and audio lessons that come with transcripts, and you can read them along. I personally really love listening to news in English. This is actually the best way to learn English in the context, to learn phrases in the context, and to learn grammar in the context. And as you are listening to it, you're going to train your ears, and that's how you're going to learn vocabulary automatically. And you're going to focus on pronunciation as well. That's how you're going to improve your pronunciation. You're going to improve your intonation and rhythm in English. Last but not least, it keeps you up to date to world events. And of course, I'm going to talk about YouTube. This is actually an amazing tool for learning English, as there are thousands of channels for learning English, for boosting vocabulary, for improving your listening skills and speaking skills as well. What is good about YouTube is almost all lessons are totally free, so you don't have to pay for learning English. Just take advantage of it. You can watch videos, you can watch video lessons, and you can practice your listening through conversations, through real conversations. As in conversations, it is obvious there are overlaps, there are interruptions. Sometimes during conversations, people make pauses. Sometimes when they speak, they may speak really fast, or sometimes they make stops, and that's how you're going to gain authentic English. That's how you're going to gain input. However, after listening to something or after watching a video, the hardest part is you should practice speaking. I know this is the hardest part for many of us. However, we're going to focus on our speaking. So speaking actually improves our learning habits, because when we speak, we force our brain to work. We force our brain muscles to work on purpose, and we will start analyzing the information. While watching YouTube videos, you can turn on subtitles. When you watch the video for the first time, turn on the subtitles. That's how you're going to understand the context, and that's how you're going to be familiar with the context. And after being familiar with the context, you can switch off the subtitles, and that's how you will improve your listening skills and your reading skills as well. So the hardest part is speaking. after watching YouTube videos, try to challenge yourself. So what do? After watching a video in English on YouTube, I try to reflect on myself. I try to retell the video. While watching the video, try to take notes, try to write down some words, some structures, some phrases or expressions in English. And by using those notes, try to retell the context. Or after watching a video, you should say some words or expressions that is in the video, or try to give your opinion about the video, your reaction about the video, your feelings. That's how you're going to improve your speaking, because you will think about, remind about words, about phrases, about the situation. So you force yourself, you force your brain to work, and that's how you're going to challenge yourself, to challenge your English speaking. So these are the tools and apps that help me improve my English, and I'm sure there is no doubt that they will help you. And challenge yourself, pick up one of them this week and use it almost every day. So remember, you should be consistent. As you work consistently, you're gonna see better results. You're gonna come across with better results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.